welcome back to my channel. My name's Sabrina and I hope you're having a super sparkly day. Today I did Mal's look from Descendants. I think this is a really great Halloween look and it's super fun and easy. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. But before you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe down below. Now let's hop on into it.
Hey dolls, and welcome to the voiceover. So today I'm starting with some Maybelline Master Prime just to go ahead and prime my eyelids for this cool Mal look, and I just blended this in using my fingers. And then for today's palette I'm using the Morphe 39S palette, and it's this really cool pretty gem toned colored palette, and the first color I'm using is Super Swanky. And then I'm going in with a little bit of Posh Boss just to add a nice little darker purple color. And I'm just blending both of these with a big fluffy brush. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of It's Violet to go ahead and start pulling in just a tiny bit of purple and a tiny bit of that darkness, but not too dark. And then for the lid color, I'm going to go ahead and use Laeven Dare, and this is like a pretty light purple color. I thought it was perfect for Mal since she has like a lighter eyelid color than towards the inner corner where it becomes more silver. And so the next color that I'm going to go ahead and use after I go ahead and blend everything in is Take the Crown, which is of course a nice silver color in that inner corner just to make sure it's really highlighted and that it pops. And lastly, I'm going in with a little bit more of that Posh Boss just to blend the bottom lash line to the top, and that way everything's nice and blended. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the two eyeliners here, the NYX Matte and some Hard Candy Kajal, just to go ahead and line my lashes. And I'm going to do that classic wing because Mal does have a little bit of a wing. And then I'm going to go ahead and just repeat that on the other side. This kind of takes a little bit of time, but you know, those wings have got to be perfect, so I definitely think helping to do your wings, you just lay your hand gently on your chin or your cheek. That way it kind of stabilizes your hand and you're able to draw that perfect wing on. And after my wings are on, I'm going to go ahead and just tight line the outer waterline just a little bit. And then I'm going to use some Maybelline The Falsies mascara to give my lashes a coat. And I kind of went over top of my lashes too. That way you get an extra little volume to your lashes. And I kind of turned the wand sideways to kind of coat those extra lashes in the middle. That way they're extra long and fluffy. And then I'm going to go ahead and use some Holla Bronzer just to lightly contour out my face. And I used a teeny tiny brush today to do this since Mal has nice chiseled cheekbones. Also, Mal is another of my favorite characters, if you couldn't tell, and I added a nice purple wig to go with this look. And then I'm just taking a little bit of the Tarte palette in blush in I'm Beautiful, and I'm just applying this lightly with my fingers and kind of blending it in because she has like a natural flush. And then I'm going in with the highlighter from that palette as well, and just highlighting my nose and on my cheekbones so that you get that nice bright highlight. And then lastly, I'm going in with Este Lauter Tea Rose first for the lipsticks, and then the Mary Kay Whipped Berries because she does have more of a neutral lip, and then it is kind of berry colored towards the center. So I went ahead and just applied both of these. That way you get Mal's kind of lip look. And then I went ahead and highlighted my Cupid's bow and then contoured underneath my lip. That way it's kind of a little bit bigger, or it makes like a shadow to make your lips bigger. And yeah, that way you get that classic Dove Cameron pout. And that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!